So guys, today we are making Indian style salad. So for this we took only all these ingredients. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe also, you will find how you will make this salad. So for this we took already this one piece of cucumber, tomato, mint leaves, green chili, onion and lemon, black pepper powder, salt, and also this we have to chop all and we will mix in this bowl. Okay, so this is for recipe for our like we have to make this our Indian salad in easy step. So how you will make, so please see this video till last, you will find how you will make. So if you didn't subscribe our channel till now, so please subscribe and tell to your friend also, you will find all informative video here. So let's continue to this video. So let's start. So I got already all item, as I told you, I already chopped onion and also this mint leaves, also tomatoes, and have to mix well. And this lemon juice also I already put here, lemon, and this salt and pepper also put here. So this is our Indian salad. So like this you can serve with you can eat with rice or any bread or like this. So this is our Indian recipe style salad. So if you like this video, please like and share to another also, because in this channel you will find all videos regarding cooking channels, cooking videos. Okay, so I hope you understood now. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe also and tell to your friend also, so you will find all informative video here. So till then, have a nice day, take care, Allah Hafiz.